Now, if ever you forget what these statistical terms mean, remember you have the program, that's an informational one, that if you wrap around by pressing up, you go to stats, and we could see mean, median, mode, range. Now, in this scenario, if you have 46 listed, which is the new high, what is going to change? Well, since there's a new high, when you subtract the largest minus the smallest, so the range is definitely going to be larger. Now, all of these include the range, so that didn't really help us out quite a bit, but let's compare the other values. If you have a new high, what happens to the mean? Well, it's going to slightly increase. It's kind of like if you got a new high score on a test, and what is that going to do to your overall average? It's going to increase it a little bit. So for sure, it's not just the range, it's at a minimum the range and the mean, but let's continue. So let's see how the median is going to change. The median is the middle number. It's always this middle bar out of these 1, 2, 3 bars in a box and whisker plot. This is called quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. Quartile 2 is synonymous with median. So imagine if you had, for easy numbers, let's say I have 5 numbers, and I'll just number them 1 through 5. Right now, this is the median. If I have a new high added, now the median is between 3 and 4. So by adding a new value to the right of the previous median, it increased the median at least by a little bit. So we know that the median is going to increase as well. So it's no longer just the range and the mean. So what's the difference between C and D? Well, D says the change in the mean is inconclusive. Wait a minute, we already determined that the mean was going to increase, so that's not true. So therefore, the correct answer is C.